Hello everyone. This is our attempt to bring our faith online. Kumusta naman mo diha sa atong mga discipleship mga students nato sa discipleship. Medyo dugay-dugay na tang wala magkita, but we'd like to extend our warm greetings from the office of the pastors and the discipleship department, especially today ini panahon sa quarantine nga period sa kinabuhi dili lamang Davao, dili lamang Philippines, but global kay pandemic naman ang sitwasyon nato karon. Dunay niingon nga mga Bisaya nga pandamay gyud ning COVID-19, but I'd like to look at this from the perspective of looking for positive things from what is happening, especially with COVID-19. There are a lot of beautiful things behind COVID-19. One is taking our faith online. We don't have any option right now but to bring faith online. And so we are extending our warm greetings to all of you who are right there listening to us, watching this video, inviting you that soon we will be doing our discipleship class online. Right now, we are trying to learn our way how we can possibly produce something that is glorifying, something that will enhance faith, something that will mobilize people into fulfilling their duties and their purpose before our great God.